This is the final slide on mitigation as a policy response. So there are other sources of energy which is being explored. Geothermal is one such source of energy where water is pumped underground and heated by earth and is brought back to the surface, which is used to turn the turbine and generate power. Biomass is another source of energy, but it requires very large scale land use, and sometimes after producing biomass, it is very difficult. So, how to put that land use which has been used for biomass again into some productive reuse, and it has got large implications on the ecological balance also. Then the other technology which is being explored is CCUS. It stands for carbon capture and carbon sequestration. In this, the fossil fuels are burned in such a way that the carbon dioxide which gets generated as a result of that burning is not left out in the atmosphere. It is captured. So for example, you might have seen the chimneys. So it gets captured at the chimney level or at the blast furnace level. Now, after this carbon gets captured, so it is used. It can be used in a range of applications. So in cement, in using cement or plastic, this can be used. And the biggest problem which we may face as a result of this carbon capture is the storage of this. So we need to store it in such a way that it does not come out. So we have to create some large pit where it is stored underground or below the ocean beds. It is stored. So storage of this carbon as a result of CCUS is a big question, which is yet to be solved in a large scale manner. Also, for uses of renewable, battery storage is one problem where there is a challenge. So, in terms of short-term storage of power for battery, using battery is that solution is feasible, but for long-term storage of power in battery, the solution is not yet feasible. And for batteries, the supply chain issues and disposal of battery, recycling of those batteries is another issue. Then there are some new technologies which are being explored. For example, hydrogen energy is a technology which is currently being explored. So although it is not yet commercially feasible, but it holds promise that down the line when technology improves, so it may become commercially available. But it has got a lot of issues related to its storage as well as explosion risk. So the hydrogen energy needs to be made feasible as well as the issues related to storage and explosion needs to be resolved, and on a commercial scale that needs to be made viable for its long term uses.